Okay, so let's talk about the differences between the two Matterport cameras that we offer in our camera rental program. By far the most popular, and really what the program is kind of oriented towards, is the Matterport Pro3 camera. Now this camera has an integrated LiDAR sensor in it, so you get much more accurate 3D data than you did from the previous Matterport camera. In addition, you can scan bigger spaces, you can scan more quickly, you can do exteriors. The sunlight does not affect this, so you could scan a warehouse and then the entire property that it's on and have that in one Matterport model. So the industry is definitely moving towards the Pro3. It has a lot of advantages over the Pro2. We see a lot of uptake in the AEC verticals with the Matterport Pro3, even though they may have a terrestrial scanner like a Trimble X7 or one of the Leica scanners. A lot of those clients are purchasing the Pro3 because they found it to be more than adequate for a lot of their workflow, like doing preliminary job assessments, and then doing having that nice 3D model, the walkthrough model that you get with the Matterport camera. We have some clients who will scan with the Matterport Pro3 even though they're going to scan with a terrestrial scanner, just because they have that nice walkthrough model, and any client can figure out how to open it up, look at it, and walk through, and it gives them a good visual reference of the job, and especially when they're scoping out a job or doing an initial assessment. So the Pro3 is by far the most popular. Now, we still do offer the Pro2 in our rental program, but you have to realize the Pro2 has been out, I believe it was released in 2018. It's no longer being manufactured, so it's kind of being phased out. As parts become not available, the cameras won't be able to be repaired. But it's still a solid camera. There are a lot of them out there in the field being used every day. The Pro2 is great if you're doing interiors only and you're doing, say, residences, apartments, or small businesses. The Pro2 works perfectly. Its limitations are that it uses infrared sensor for its 3D data, which isn't as accurate as the LiDAR sensor is. Number two, sunlight directly interferes with the infrared light. So you really can't scan in any brightly sunlit spaces, and it's very challenging to try and scan outside with the Pro2. So while the Pro2 is still a good solid camera for limited use cases, the Pro3 is really where the future is with the Matterport platform.